Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Belle and the Beast's castle. This came out in 2021 and I'm finally building it. It's been under my desk for so long. 505 pieces, $120 at the Lego store in Australia. I managed to buy this from Amazon for $95 and then I bought another box for $75 because I like the look of it and I want to make something else out of it. So let's open up and see what we get. And we get 5 packets in this set and some awesome stickers. So let's build. Packet 1 and I see some legs, Philippe the horse and a printed window. Let's start with Belle and her blue dress, and I'm loving that we get this. So she has a little apron there, a little bow at the back. Love her hair and her face I really like also. And we have Belle from the ball, and the crisscross pattern at the back of the dress is beautiful. And we get some red roses on there too. Her face is a different expression, which I love also. So you get 2 mini dolls. Here is the prince, and he gets to have a purple cape. And we're popping his head on. He's got those beautiful blue eyes from the movie, and he gets the beast's head. And the beast also needs a purple bow on the back because he had that in the movie. He looks awesome. Philippe the horse with his bendy tail, and I love that you can move the horse's head now up and down, popping in his back. He looks great. Okay, let's start with Philippe's cart, and this is where Belle moves around all the food, I guess, when she does a food shop at the village. So popping in some fences here, and we're going to have some big gold wheels. They're going on there, big cart wheels. I like that, that looks very detailed. We need to pop a carrot in there now. And Philippe, I just got to do the little connecting part so he can pull the horse cart trailer thing around. There he is, he's happy, off he goes. Now this castle gets a dance floor, so this is what I am building now. There's going to be a turntable here, and you'll be able to put Belle and the beast on and they can spin round and round and dance. Here it is, and it spins round quite quickly. I hope they don't get sick and fall off. Too much spinning round. And some gold details here with these beautiful windows. I love that they are printed, no stickers here. And just popping in these holy bricks because we are going to be connecting this to the rest of the castle, so you can disconnect it and move it around if you like. And now just the roof part I'm doing now. These tiled bits just didn't want to go on properly, they kept falling off. And I've got to press that in place, there we go. So that's what the top looks like. And now just extra details in on the side, make it look more of a castle-like structure, and the little dome going on top with a jewel. There's Belle and the beast dancing the night away. Bag 2, more printed bits, and Mrs. Potts and Chip, and I'm gonna hold it. Where is he? He's gone. I wanted to have a cup of tea. There we go. Now is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen stovetop, and it is a chef boucher. And I like how this is built. It actually looks like from the movie, I guess. And we're popping in his face here. So he looks a bit cranky pants. There's his chef's hat, open up his belly, and he's on fire. Oh no, I hope the castle doesn't burn down. Now we got some green grass happening, and this is the start of the castle. See, we've got the connector brick there, so we'll be able to move these sections around. And here's the kitchen cabinets with all the little cups in there. And here we are going to put that bird gargoyle thing, or whatever it is, at the front. This took me a while to build, couldn't get his feet on, and he's got like 3 toes. And how do you do the beak? Oh, you got to pop that thing on first. Let's do his wings. We got to bring them in to fit in this little part here. That's looking really good. I like this. Time to put the stove in there. So that's his little home, his little kitchen spot. Nice purple arches. Well, there's lots of little details in this set. It's really nice. I'm glad I bought this. And now this is the second floor and just doing all the details up here. Another printed part which I love. I love the details on this. And just doing a little section there where Belle keeps her crown. And this is the part that makes it look like a castle. Keep going up and up and putting in a flag. And hang on, yep, goes here, nope, over here. Now, this is the bed. So I'm not sure if this is the Beast's bed or Belle's bed or I don't know. Got some purple covers with roses. I'm guessing it's Belle's bed, but I forgot to put these bits in. I forgot to put the little studded tiles so the bed can sit there and not fall off. Okay, Belle's bed's going in. I'm guessing it was her bed. It's got roses on it. Let's connect the dance floor, and I cannot get this in place without demolishing it. There we are. Bag 3. And oh, we got some faces in there. Lumiere. And my kids love it when I say, ha ha ha, mon chéri. And we've got little Cogsworth being built now. There's been many different style of builds of Cogsworth over the years with the different sets, and look at him, his head spins round and round, and I forgot to pop this sticker on before. There's these little guts inside, off you go. Now the second part of the castle. So this is the entranceway where you've got the double gold gates. I love that they've included these double gold gates. I think it makes the castle look very grand, and this entrance actually makes the castle look very grand. Well, I think anyway. More purple arches. More Technic bricks as we are going to connect all these builds together. And now this is the little dining table with lots of yummy food going on. And there's these little white fluffy cakes, some goblets, and I'm trying to pop that plate on there. We've got a cake here, lots of whipped cream and a croissant. That looks good, and it's meant to spin round. It's like a lazy Susan on there. And that goes in the middle in the entrance way. I guess that's why we can move it around. I don't think I want the table in the entrance way. So here's the gold gates I was telling you about, and you got the pink jewel there going on, and I'll try and click it in place. Look at that, they look very grand, I think, and more arches to finish off the grandness of the entranceway. I do love all the gold detailing in this set, like those studded jumper plates and the fencing. Makes it look like a proper castle. Bag 4 already, and we get more gold bits. So this part here is the library section, and I actually like how this is built. So these are the little bookshelves, cabinetry going in. There's more gold detailing going in with those gold scrolls. I love those pieces. They make everything look so fancy. More of the cabinets going in because there's going to be lots of books in this library. So this section that I'm building is for a sliding ladder. So we're going to pop this in, and it's going to slide from side to side so Belle can get some books out, And we get to put 2 books in. And no, it doesn't go in there, it goes in the top one. There we are. And let's spin it around to put this in. Look at this stained glass window. I am in love with that stained glass window. I am so glad it's a printed piece. More of these dark red roof bits going on. I love the contrast with the dark red and the purple. It just stands out really nicely. And the gold detailing, of course. So these little bits here are some extra details to put on the castle. So they're like little roof parts, I guess. So we need 2 of them, and they're going on the side here. Oh wow, I love that. And that book keeps falling out. And here is a little tower with a little love heart. I don't know what the love heart's for, I can't remember that. And here's like the castle's turret section. And we get a little gem light piece there, and more of these tiles to make it look more of a castle. Look at that. Wow. So you can stand up there in the tower. Another detailed side little tower going on, except this one's going to have a little flag on there also. Extra detail, try and pop that in. And that goes here. Oh my goodness. The detail on this is so good. Let's connect it without breaking it. Wow. And here's another connector pin, so you connect the back of it. Nice and strong, and they're still dancing. Last bag, bag 5. I see a printed face. This is the opera singing wardrobe, a grande bouche, I don't know how to say it properly. And those are her arms, and here is some yellowish green doors for the wardrobe. We'll pop that on. And this part here is for her head. I love her build this time, it's so detailed. I love that they're all different. There's her face. Open up because we're popping in a hairbrush and a bow in the wardrobe, and I'm destroying it. Pop it back on. There we go. Off you go. Last section of the castle, and this is where Belle's wardrobe's going to go. And that beautiful sticker of the Enchantress. I loved that movie. I think I was 10 years old when it came out. Another bird going in here into the little alcove. Loving that. I can't get enough of that sticker of the Enchantress. Just looks so beautiful. There's a curved plate going in here because this is where the wardrobe's going, and it's going to be a curved wall. So this is the start of the wardrobe. There's her day dress and her ball gown. And I'm going to pop it over here. So it's going to spin round. Oh, I love that. That's so good. So here, these parts are stickered, which I don't mind. They look really nice. And that's the top there. We're going to have a little balcony up there a little bit later on. Here's some nice gold detailed railing going in for the balcony, and a printed tower again. I'm loving that. So built the same as the last one, except inside this tower we are going to have the enchanted mirror. So there's Belle's dad Maurice on there, and putting in the roof part now. Okay, I'm going to have to keep moving my camera because this tower keeps growing taller and taller. This little build here is where the beast's spare hairpiece is going to go, because you can swap it, and that's the picture that he shredded in the movie of when he saw himself. So that spins round, so you can have his hairpiece wig, and this is the enchanted rose in the dome, so that's going on top of the balcony here. Alright, I'm connecting it without trying to break anything, and hang on, I've just noticed, I've built that wrong. Hang on, let's pull that apart. I knew the floor wasn't lining up. Lucky it's quick and easy fix. There we are. There, that's better, that fits perfect. So now I can pop this pin in and hold it all together. And now we are just building some nice comfy chairs to put in the library. A purple and a red one. Okay, they're done now, and now we have a chandelier with these clear crystal bits going in, and that's going in to the entrance. That's so lovely. So it sits above here and it can spin round. Pop the chairs in the library, move those books again. Let's pop everyone in because the build's finished. Lumiere's jumping around, and Philippe's decided to bring the other Belle along. Belle, the Beast, Lumiere and my cat are in the library reading some books. The prince decided to play swapsies with his head and scared Belle. And while we're doing the pranks, my cat decided to jump out of the wardrobe and scare Belle. Belle and the Beast's castle. Alright, this set is so worth the money. It is so detailed. It looks like a beautiful castle. There's lots to do and play in this set. Lots of details. Love all the parts that are printed also, and you can recreate scenes from the movie in this. So definitely worth buying. So everyone, get your bricks out.